Welcome to the Kotak Workshop. Today we've got this Victorian Dentist's cabinet that needs to be restored. It's a bit dusty and has warped and moved over the years, and we've got a box of bits that needs to be put back together. So I'll take you through what needs done and we'll get it restored. Hope you enjoy. So you can see some of the drawers are in, and they have these tile glass fittings. There's a few bits and pieces, but there's a stiff. Stiff. And a big hole in the back. This is obviously where one of them has been glued. So that's veneer on this back plate. That's come off. This is loose. So really, needs a good clean and a bit of TLC. So I'm going to use this Murphy wood cleaner mixed with some warm water to clean the inside. Because I don't know what this is, looks like some sort of mould or fungus, so I'm going to be putting on a respirator and wearing gloves. So we're at what I like to call getting to know the patient stage. I've stabilised it, cleaned it, and just having a look around for what needs done. But we're also on the lookout for maker's marks or labels, and inside this door here, there's this. Claudius Ashe was an English goldsmith and dental manufacturer. In about 1820 he was asked to make a set of dentures. Ashe's teeth, made of porcelain mounted on gold plates, laid the foundation of his new enterprise as Britain's foremost manufacturer of dentures and dental appliances. The business expanded rapidly and by the mid-19th century dominated the European market, in 1924 merging with the Strichen Company. So this veneer is coming off here, and what I'm going to do is just put some regular wood glue onto the back edge, blow some compressed air in to try and spread it around, and then take some pieces of wood, clamp it up. So that's all clamped up, we'll leave that to dry. So I'm now going to sand and tidy up these shelves, just give them a quick sanding and see what the colour comes up like, and maybe just put a little bit of finish on. But these are the internal shelves, but they've got marks on them. So I've given them a light sanding. You can actually see some band marks on them from where it was cut probably with a bandsaw. I don't know if these were original, They're certainly a different wood from the rest, so they might have been added later. But I'm just going to stain them back and get them nice so that they don't look as marked anymore on the inside. So now I've got to try and fit some of these, but they'll need to be repaired first because that's coming apart. So I need to figure out what needs glued, where it all goes. I think what we'll do is glue these first and then fit them to shape, because you can see that they've burst and split. They're a bit stiff, so could just put some candle wax on, but they may need a little bit of blending. Now that doesn't fit at all. Also split apart, so that's going to need brought back together. Number 13. So what I want to do is apply a bit of gentle pressure. What I want to see is, does it sort of pop or move? So we've got these drawers drying. I've cleaned the glass. I've put some of the drawers back in with cleaner glass and shelves in. Still got to find a cover for that. But look at this. These are the handles on these drawers, and yet when we come down to this drawer, these are much more modern. They're lighter in colour and they're a different shape. So I want to do something to slightly adjust that. I'm not going to make brand new handles, but something to try and get them to be a closer match. Here's another clue that these are modern. If we come in here and have a look. So these are a little bit closer in terms of aspect and shape. Now I just need to make them the same colour. So they look a lot more in keeping now. So it's coming on. I've taken the clamps off here and that's looking a lot better. We turned those handles to make them a little bit better. I've got one more drawer drying, but now these are fitted. Need a little bit more sanding on a couple of them. That one in particular. The straw doesn't quite fit yet. The next stage is going to be to put some wood stain, just oil, back into it, because there are sort of patches on it, and that's going to make it really pop. I've got to fit in the piece that we took off here. Got to wait for that to dry, put shelves in, and get ready for the final stages, but really getting there. So I've cleaned this up. I'm thinking this might be used to put drinks on, so I could put a piece of wood in there. What I've got is some rubber matting, and I'm just going to see what it looks like if I cut this to size and put it in. So I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm going to cut it to size and see what it looks like. Hello from the Cottat workshop. What do you think? Should we put that about there? Hey? Does it work? I'm not really sure about this. No. It's safe. Oh. The thing about Bengals is they're very curious. You know what they say about curiosity in cats? Yes? Uh-huh. So we were missing a couple of these, which are the shelf supports. So I've just taken some ash and turned a couple more, which I'm going to shape up now on the sander and stain to be the same colour. Okay, we're getting close to the end. I'm going to go for some Gilboy's rose gold because I'm trying to get the sort of slightly redder rosewood type colour rather than too dark an oak. But it's coming along really nicely and I think this is going to make it look fantastic. Okay, it's been the usual 20 minutes, so we're going to go with a buffing brush. And then I'll finish off with the cloth. I like to use a super soft cloth. It's like a cotton toweling, but it's got a bit of a softness to it. And there we have it, a restored ash dentist cabinet, and all fitted out and ready. This will be returned to Strichen Antiques and will be on sale there, I would imagine, pretty quickly, and hopefully brings the next owner a lot of joy and interested to see what they do with it. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll catch you next time. Thank you.